give us more detail about how the AI is actually helping the security teams day to day rather than replacing them? I mean, if I have that right?
Yeah, it's a very good question. Bottom line, the way that AI helps security teams and platforms like ours is that on average, our customers need to deal with about only 2% to 4% of alerts compared to what they originally needed to deal with. So that's a huge noise reduction. But I think that it's a very interesting question about what it replaces, because a lot of people are kind of like defensive.
Right.
Yeah, that's the concern.
Everyone's afraid of people on their way out, from the workplace.
Exactly, and because of the fact that this kind of job of investigating alerts is so hard, cumbersome, it's overwhelming, this is why most enterprises actually outsource it to managed services. These are called MDRs in our terms, and this is exactly actually what we can replace. Instead of outsourcing this whole cyber operations, alert investigation, you can have it in-house, just offloaded to technology.